Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. And we are looking at the S&Ps today on the spiders. Now keep in mind, we had a beautiful squeeze here, a beautiful rally. We ran out of momentum, and then the ECB news came out, and we came all the way down almost to the tick to the skyline, and then closed at dead even on the day. So it opens up the door here to more upside. I am not super bullish here. I'm also not super bearish. I'm just kind of like, let's see what happens. I do think at this point, keep in mind that next week is monthly expiration. So I am looking that today was a potential low, and then we're just kind of up to choppy into monthly expiration so that all the premium around these levels can close. Okay? And then in terms of trades and things like that, this account that I'm using here to kind of track the trades that we're doing in the room hit a new high today. We had a really awesome trade in Tesla. Had some calls. We sold those at the open. Lost some money on the spiders. We've got a nice position in SLV. We'll take a look at that. That was in Priceline, Netflix. Lost money in Lululemon. Closed that one out. Lost money in Intuit. Google. Little small loss there. AutoZone, nice winner today, et cetera, et cetera. So net, and then so the goal. This is the account that I'm trying to get to $1 million. Started off 185 some odd thousand, and now it's sitting here at just at 300,000. So that was my first goal: get it to 300,000, and then start upping the size and see if we can go. So that's the kind of stuff that it's it's really just kind of that trade management, especially we've got this volatile market right now. What are the best trades to do that? If you're actually really trying to grow, like say a small account into a big account, what do you do? So a big part of that, and this is what I was talking about Tesla earlier, is just kind of knowing where moves kind of peter out. So this is a move that we caught in Tesla at the beginning of the week, and then later, once it consolidated, we picked up some more and dumped it all here. So the question is why did I sell it here at the open? All right, and that was something that we texted out instead of potentially holding on to it and turning it into a loss. And that's just because, essentially it's understanding the nature of how markets move. No market goes straight up or straight down. And when you get that, what I call high probability setup and high probability target, you've got to be very, very quick to exit that trade. Okay, and that's how you make money, is on the exits. And you can't be too greedy, but at the same time, you got to be willing to kind of step up and take that risk to at least get into the trade and be able to identify that. So that's going to be the kind of stuff I'm going to be talking about in the Saturday class. It's not only what's working in this market, but specifically, if you want to take a small account and turn it into a big account. And I'm not talking like, oh, small lot course, let's look at weekly squeeze. It's knowing when to have what I call normal size trades and when to press it. Okay, when does everything come together? When can you take a larger than average trade and get in and out and really get that EKG spike in your account? I'm also going to be talking a lot about something new that I haven't talked about a lot before, and that's using tick charts. Okay, for example, like with Tesla, using like a 233 tick chart. Versus like a 512 tick chart. I do that for futures. I haven't really talked about how I do that with stocks, and I think you guys will find that very, very interesting. You guys know the deal. Saturday class, that gets you all the information. It's $497. The most popular one is the 3-day live trading. It's essentially you get the Saturday class plus 3 days of live trading, and if you're into live events, you got the elite package here. All right, it's going to be awesome, and looking forward to seeing you guys there.